Do wolves mate for life? Is a wolf pack actually a perfect family? We've all heard that a wolf pack is led by an alpha pair, with the alpha male as the dominant leader. However, recent research challenges this notion. The idea of an alpha comes from early studies of wolves in captivity, where dominance and hierarchy were emphasized. But what if the truth is much simpler than we once thought? Early research suggested that wolves follow a strict hierarchy with social ranks like alpha, beta, and omega. In captivity, where wolves were kept in close spaces, they often formed unnatural relationships driven by dominance, often involving aggression. This concept was popularized by researchers like David Meck, who in the 40s, 50s, and 70s observed wolves in captivity and described them as having rigid social structures. However, after further studies, Meck admitted his error, recognizing that the aggressive, hierarchical nature of these packs was a result of captivity, not nature. In the wild, wolves do not operate this way. Instead, a wolf pack is often a family, parents with their pups. The adults are not in charge due to dominance, but because they are the parents of the pack members. Wolves in the wild don't engage in violent, dominance-based behavior. Rather, they live together as a cohesive family where the parents lead by example. The alpha concept is misleading. Wolf packs usually consist of parents and their first or sometimes second-generation offspring. Larger packs may form when resources like food require it, such as when hunting large prey. A lone wolf, in contrast, is simply an individual looking to join or form a new pack. Wolves are monogamous, often mating for life, and they live in close-knit groups where familial bonds are strong. The two wolves with breeding rights are the only ones who mate, and they work together to care for the pack. They help each other, hunt together, and even grieve the loss of a pack member. Wolves are incredibly intelligent and social creatures. They educate their young, care for the injured, and maintain lifelong bonds within their pack. These families can endure for many generations, passing on knowledge and traditions. While wolves do breed only once a year, usually in late winter or early spring, they have a deep commitment to each other. After mating, the female gives birth in a den, often a site used by generations before. The male takes on the responsibility of providing for the female during this time, ensuring that she is well fed and cared for. When the pups are old enough, they are introduced to the rest of the pack. Family members teach them essential skills such as hunting and how to function as a valuable pack member. Wolves show deep affection for each other, often engaging in playful behaviors, grooming, and bonding. The next time you think of wolves, remember that they are not just symbols of wild dominance, but examples of caring, loyalty, and the strength of family bonds. Wolves are more like us than we realize. They are complex, highly intelligent animals that thrive in family groups. Their behavior reflects the importance of cooperation, loyalty, and deep emotional connections.